She's taking it off her hands anyway.
Oh.
Okay, she's not holding it, stuck to her, but still it's fun. So there's Serena. There you go, Lucia. Are you looking yourself? Look at that.
Say hello, Nonna. Say hello, Nonna Lucia. Hello, Nonna Pippo. Hey? Hey? Alright, here I am with little Lucia. She says hello. Hello. She would if she could. And you can show Connie, Auntie Connie. Connie, come here. You can be in the picture. Connie, come here. Sit there.
I look dead tired.
Hey? Well, here's Connie leaning on me like she thinks she can. Nothing's changed. She still likes pork.
Okay. Come here. Oh, you had enough. Oh, you're smiling. Say hello to Daddy. Say hello, Nonna. Look. Say hello. Say Daddy. Oh, wave. Hello.
I love both of them.
Put them together.
Let John do the narrative.
Alright, girls.
Hey. Hey. Hello. Say hello, Australia. Hello, Australia.
They're thrilled.
Hey. Alright. It's night time here, so Serena's a bit testy.
It's about time to put them to bed.
This is the rock and roll we do every night.
Woo.
Right. There we go.
Okay, good night.
Good night. Good night, everyone.
Good night.